Welcome to Lesson 6. So far we have looked at the hardware inside a computer. Now we meet the software you will use every single day on a Helpdesk, Microsoft Windows. By the end of this lesson you will be able to move around the desktop with confidence, find any file, manage user accounts, rescue a frozen program, and use the shortcuts that make a technician fast. When Windows loads, you land on the desktop. Along the bottom is the taskbar. On its left is the Start menu, which you open by clicking it or by pressing the Windows key. Type anything into search and Windows hunts for apps, files, and settings all at once. Over on the right is the system tray, with small icons for network, volume, battery, and updates. Windows has two places to change things. Settings is the modern app you open from Start, and it covers most everyday options. Control Panel is the older classic interface, and a few advanced tools still live only there. To open it quickly, press Windows key plus R, type the word Control, and press Enter. As a technician you will use both, so get comfortable switching between them. File Explorer is how you browse files and folders, and the fastest way to open it is Windows key plus E. In the left pane, click this PC to see your drives. The main one is the C: drive, where Windows itself is installed. The left pane is your map. Use it to jump between locations quickly. Two folders matter most. C:\Windows holds the system files, so do not delete anything in there. C:\users\your name is your user profile, and that is where your documents, downloads, and desktop folders actually live. Knowing this layout saves you real time when you are hunting for a user's missing file. Everyone who signs in has an account. A local account lives only on that one PC, while a Microsoft account signs in with an email and syncs your settings across devices. Accounts also have a permission level. A standard user can run apps but cannot change system-wide settings, while an administrator can install software and change anything. For safety, most people should be standard users. When a program freezes, open Task Manager with Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Select the stuck application and click End Task to force it closed. Task Manager also shows you what is using the processor and memory, which helps you spot why a machine feels slow. This is a core skill you will use on the Helpdesk constantly. Learn these 4 shortcuts and you will work much faster. Windows key plus E opens File Explorer. Windows key plus R opens the Run box. Windows key plus L locks the screen, which is great when you step away from a machine. And Alt plus Tab switches between your open windows. Practice these until they become muscle memory. From the Run box, opened with Windows key plus R, you can launch tools directly. Type WinVer to see the exact Windows version and build, type CMD to open the command prompt, or type Control for Control Panel. Finally, keep Windows patched, open Settings, choose Windows Update, and click Check for updates. On a Helpdesk, asking whether updates are installed is one of your very first questions. Let's recap. The desktop gives you the Start menu, taskbar, search, and system tray. You open File Explorer with Windows key plus E and find drives under this PC, with your files under C:\users. Remember standard versus administrator accounts, and rescue frozen programs with Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Your task: open File Explorer and find your own profile folder under C:\users, then run WinVer to note your Windows build, and finally check Windows Update in Settings. See you in the next lesson.